Hi guys, today we're going to be showing you how to make almond crescents. We got this recipe from a friend of ours and we hope you like it. The ingredients we'll be needing for this recipe are 100 grams of almond flakes, plain flour, vanilla sugar, and unsalted margarine, but you can also use butter if you wish. And we also have caster sugar. The first thing we're going to do is add 1 1/4 cup of plain flour. Add the whole packet of almonds, so that's 100 grams of almonds, followed by 1/2 cup of caster sugar and 2 tablespoons of vanilla sugar. We've just put in an approximate, but it's 2 tablespoons. We're then going to mix it with a spoon so it evens out, and then we're going to add 125 grams of unsalted butter. You don't have to use exactly 125 grams. You can also use an approximate. Basically, all you have to aim for is the same consistency as what we have. If you're using butter and you find it to be too hard, then we recommend you put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds. Mix it well with your hands so all the flour comes together, and this is the consistency of the dough you should be aiming for. We don't want it too runny and we don't want it too tough. Then we're going to butter our baking trays. A really good way to do this is grab a bit of kitchen paper in your hand and rub the butter and use that to spread it out evenly. We're then going to grab a small handful of the dough and roll it up in our hands and bend it into a crescent shape. We want it thin from the sides and thick from the center. It doesn't have to be very neat. It's good if you can see a couple of dents on them because that's what makes it look beautiful. As you can see, our crescents are now ready to be put in the oven. We've preheated the oven at 180 degrees and it's a fan-forced oven. Now we're going to put them in the oven and we're only going to bake them for about 12 to 14 minutes, not too long. These crescents don't take very long to make at all. So we've put them in the oven and we've set the timer to 12 minutes. The 12 minutes are up, so we're going to have a look at them. As you can see, our crescents are very perfectly done. We're going to let them cool on the baking tray, and once they've cooled a little bit, we will transfer them onto a rack. If we were making these crescents at home, we probably wouldn't transfer them onto a cooling rack, but because our friend is very proper in the kitchen, she likes to do everything perfectly. Now that our crescents have cooled, we're going to roll them up in some icing sugar. Rolling them in icing sugar gives them a completely different look, and it gives it a very professional look, and it doesn't look like something you've made at home. This recipe actually comes from the Czech Republic. We hope you have enjoyed this recipe. For questions, comments, and regular updates, Bajias Cooking is also available on Facebook. Give it a try. We hope you like it. Good luck. Thanks for watching.